Your phonics lesson for today is about homophones. Now, homophones are words that sound the same, but are spelled differently and have different meanings. So, different than homographs, which we have learned about, that are spelled the same, but have different meanings, like bow and bow. That's a homograph. Today we're talking about homophones, which are like one and one. Okay, so this word, one, means like the number one. This one is like I won the race. So this is one reason why English is so difficult, is because there's a lot of words that sound the same but are spelled differently and mean different things. Another example. Sorry, my pen is having issues today. C and C. This first C is like the ocean. Okay, so we have water, like the sea. And then C, this C is like you see with your eyeballs. All right? Another example. We could have buy and buy, and even buy, right? I walked by the store, meaning next to it. I'm going to buy something from the store with my money. I wave goodbye. Again, 3 different words, spelled differently, have different meanings, but sound exactly the same. There, and there are 3 that many 5th graders have a hard time knowing the difference between. So, this first there is like, I'm over there. You can think of it like if you put an arrow on that R. Like, I'm over there. Okay, that's a specific place. This there means they are. You could think of the apostrophe. Remember, we took out the A, so they are going to the store. They are loving this movie. Their means it belongs to them. Their house, their money, their desk, whatever it might be. Okay? So it belongs to them. I could go on, and there's a lot of examples on the words that you'll be reading. I want to point out that you're not underlining anything. What you are doing is you're still going to read them for 1 minute, see how many words you can read. I would say these are maybe a little easier than the normal words, so you might be able to read more than you did last week on different words. You'll write down how many words you got in 1 minute, and then you are choosing 3 of the pairs and defining them. So maybe you choose which and which. So you write which and which, and you define the first which, and you define the second which. Then you choose wood and wood, or bee and bee, or flower and flower. So if I choose to do that, again, I'm going to write flower and flower. And then I'll define them. Flower is whatever flower is. Flower is, and then and then you'll want to delete the lines so that you're not going to go off the bottom of the page, right? And then you'll choose another pair and another pair. And I would challenge you to not just pick words that you know, okay? That's great. It can reinforce what you already know, but even better is to find words that you don't know and do that. Maybe profit and profit, or manner and manner. So maybe some of the ones from this bottom list are a better example or a better choice for you. Or maybe you know like feet. Okay, those are my feet on the end of my legs. But what is this kind of feet? So you pick, okay, if I know one of the words, I'll pick that and learn the other word. So just challenge yourself. I can help you. I'm more than happy to do that. And just give it your very best shot. Good luck.